friend showed it to me, and it's like Fortnite but 2D, and you don't kill stuff. Die. Yeah, and for some reason you hit toilet. So Roblox. Oh hell no! Oh no! I'm getting the hell out of here. Hey, you don't want to start out with everything. You want to start out with the first like I kind of want to get those sets. Like these are kind of like the non-Lego things, but they have to kind of be made. So good. Because why there's so many of those is because one, I was on that site, like, I forget when, but it was kind of, recent, because of, two, since, they won, because, we're the champions. Oh, no. Oh, come on! Come on! Okay, that's some poor strategy. Yeah, it looks like 12 done. Yeah, now it's doing. Yeah, and what? See, it bounces off the metal. This saddle. I don't know what it is. Wait, watch this. Freaking awesome, right? Okay, so oh no. Oh. Sure, bush with you. No! What? Okay. With the barrel. Oh my god. Okay, so if someone could actually get that, get these for me, that would be really great. Thanks. I'm joking. Yeah, I would like the lucky ones because, I don't know, they just say the right person by just blowing people up with grenades is freaking awesome. Oh crap, I wasted one. Oh, wait. Oh hell no. What? No! Come on! No. Oh my god, that's really cool. Okay, the Wally I really want to get. The Wally's freaking awesome. If you haven't already, oh no, 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 no. Oh, okay. Okay. No, wait. Wait. What? I wonder. Oh, come on. It didn't blow up the other one. Okay. Okay, so there's actually a really funny, story. Okay, so this guy, so I had no gun. And I was just running away from the guy. And he destroyed himself with like a kid, with like a thing, because he shot at it. I'm like, come on. Okay, that one was just a big shot. That one was just. Yeah. Oh, come on, it isn't the same. Thank you, George, for doing like this guy's doing drugs. Okay, go with the play the ball. Oh no! No! Come on! Oh my god. Ooh. Oh crap! Oh crap! Yeah, I get Ooh. myself. No. Hey, Soviet Russia, Fox breaks you. Yeah. Yeah, the helmet is way. No. Oh, yeah. Epic Gamer. Yeah. Okay, Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna call myself Snuggle Wumpkins. You dare go up to Snuggle Wumpkins? Okay. No. Oh, no. I think that's really oh, yeah. So it's supposed to kill everything. That was just a waste of ammunition. Oh, wait. Oh. Nah. Snuggle Wumpkins. Hey guys, it's me, Snuggle Wumpkins. Bunch of the yoga movie because, you know. Some rooms. No. Oh. What? No. What? I'm going in this commando. Cover me.